everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing an unboxing. So in this box there's 3 models. I just opened it to see how many is there, but I didn't touch anything. So I'll do this unboxing in 3 parts. Because there's 3 models and each of them is different. And plus I've got one more on the way. So they are from my model store, AMS, the regular company that I get them from. Okay, so this is the model I will unbox in today's video. And this one we will unbox next. And then the biggest one we'll unbox last. Okay, box off to the side. So now we are unboxing today the United 737-800 by NG models with split scimitar winglets. So you might ask, why did I buy this model? Well, if it's in the old delivery, well, basically I like United's old delivery more than the new one, and this is my first 737-800 with split scimitars, so that's why I wanted this model. Also it will be a retro livery once all the airplanes are painted into the new blue livery of United, so I count the retro liveries as special. So that's that. So this is the unboxing part 1. Okay, I will get the model out and I'll show you the box, then the detailed with the model. Plastic casing, there's no foam, which is quite unusual for NG models. There we go. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoosh, the gear rolls like, whoa, so smooth. Oh my man. I swear. This is a well nice model. Oh wow, okay. It's quite slippery. I don't know why. Okay, I'll put it there for now. Plastic thingy away. I'll move it off to the side there. I'll show you the box. So at the front it says Boeing 737-800 and the photo of the airplane there, United, registration November 77296, NG, next generation 1 to 400. There's some on here. So now into the back. Okay, so now the model. It seems quite slippery. It reminds me kind of the Max a little bit. But if I zoom it in, okay, we'll have to go with this because it won't zoom in any further. So them planes I got today. Before I start, please subscribe and like this video and hit that notification bell. Also, make sure to buy from my model store. They are a great company based in UK. I got on the store, AMS for short. So yeah, they have good prices and good range of models. So now let's begin. Here we have the cockpit windows, then the nose, then the United's gold line there, the grey under the first antenna, the front landing gear, the Star Alliance logo, the L1 boarding door, some windows, United's titles, the engine, 2 overwing emergency exits, first antenna on the top, the main landing gear, the split scimitars look great, they look very nice, the Wi-Fi box there, and then here there should be 2 antennas, yep, 1 and 2 there, antennas, registration again, we've got, just let it focus, November 77296, USA flag there, some more windows and the backboarding though, and also the United old logo on the tail there. This side is nothing different, we just have the first cargo hold here, and there also should be the back cargo hold there. Yeah, so I mean, like, it seems small, this model, but this is amazing. 737 is my favourite airplane. So if I get my Gemini Jet Sun Country 737-800, just to see the size roughly, it should be the same size. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, guys, but they are the same size. So that's good. So overall, out of 10, I would rate this model 10 because it's amazing. The box is quite small though, but the detail on it and everything, them antennas, see that? 2 antennas there. The gear, everything is okay with it. Oh my man, it seems like it's amazing. NG did a great work. So this is from the October 2019 release. I checked. So they released this in October. I might get one in the new United livery. But yeah, even the engines, look at that. How nice this is. So this does conclude this review of the United 737-800. So, as I said before, part 1 of the unboxing. Tomorrow there will be part 2. And then so tomorrow there will be part 2. Then on a Saturday there will not be a video. On Sunday no video, and then on a Monday part 3 we unbox the biggest airplane. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you back in the part 2.